Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and around the world are observing accession to Pakistan Day today, reaffirming their unwavering commitment to the ongoing struggle for freedom from the Indian occupation and the complete integration of the occupied Kashmir with Pakistan. Prime Minister Shahbaz said a peaceful resolution of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions is the only guarantee for ensuring the rights of the Kashmiris and the lasting peace in the region. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, in a special message on the occasion of accession to Pakistan Day, reaffirmed the government and the people of Pakistan will continue to extend diplomatic, moral and political support to the Kashmiris. US President Donald Trump said that up to 5 fighter jets were shot down during the recent military flare-up between India and Pakistan after the Pahalgam incident. Trump's remarks came during a dinner with the Republican US lawmakers at the White House. Indian police today foiled a protest march organized by the occupied Kashmir Congress chapter in Srinagar, which was aimed at demanding the restoration of the statehood to the territory. The protest was led by the occupied Kashmir Congress President Tariq Hamid Garra. In occupied Kashmir, nearly 4,50,000 Kashmiris have laid down their lives over the past 78 years in the struggle for freedom from the Indian occupation and accession to Pakistan. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of accession to Pakistan Day today, nearly 4,50,000 Kashmiris have sacrificed their lives in the pursuit of freedom and union with Pakistan over more than 7 decades. Dreaded Counterintelligence Kashmir Unit of the Indian Police carried out raids at 10 locations across 4 districts of the occupied Kashmir. The search operations were conducted at 6 locations in Ganderbal, 2 in Budgam, 1 each in Pulwama and Srinagar. The family members were also harassed during these raids. Pakistan has said that the investigations into the Pahalgam incident remain inconclusive and firmly condemn terrorism in all its forms and manifestations with zero tolerance. Foreign Office spokesperson Shafkat Ali Khan in a statement reaffirms Pakistan's stance against terrorism, saying that the country has effectively and comprehensively dismantled the banned outfits. President of Azad Kashmir Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry and the Prime Minister Chaudhry Anwarul Haq paid rich tributes to the valor of the Kashmiris in their struggle for the right to self-determination. Azad Kashmir President and the Prime Minister expressed these views in the special messages on the occasion of Kashmir's accession to Pakistan Day today.